Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video by RPM Revelations. Be prepared to buckle your seatbelt as today we dive into the turbulent tale of a car that promises stars but delivered a cosmic disappointment. I present to you the DC Avanti. So what is the DC Avanti? The DC Avanti is the first homegrown mid-engine sports car designed, built and sold by Dilip Chapria Designs Private Limited. The Avanti was launched in 2015. It is a two-door, two-seater model that was offered in a single trim with a host of optional extras. The bodywork was said to be made from carbon composite based on a composite high steel chassis. DC planned to sell the car in India as well as in other countries. It was powered by a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine sourced from Renault with the claimed performance of 310 horsepower and 340 Nm of torque. The claimed 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time was stated at 6 seconds, the top speed limited to 200 km/h. Let's talk design, shall we? The DC Avanti pulled up to the scene with the confidence of a runway model, but let's be honest, it's like someone slapped together a supercar and a hatchback after a night of questionable decisions. The build quality of this car is seriously flimsy in places, notably the door handles cut from the world's thinnest plastic, the spindly steering wheel, and the Renault sourced 6-speed manual's oddly long gear level, which is a shame because the shift quality isn't bad at all. On hearing about the so-called safety and reliability of this car, one would surely look much safer in flipping cars used in Rohit Shetty's action movies. If you were to be a not-so-proud owner of this car, it would cost you at a rupees of 34 lakh ex-showroom. However, this car has now been discontinued by the manufacturer as DC Design founder Dilip Chapria has been arrested over financing and forgery scams. Therefore, the DC Avanti failed in India due to its high pricing, lack of brand recognition, poor usability, practicality, and lack of marketing and distribution network. Moreover, if you were to buy this car, one would rather question your life choices as it looks like a bad children's drawing version of the Lycan Hypersport in all aspects. And there you have it, folks, the DC Avanti, a vehicle that was once supposed to claim as India's first ever sports car that now defies the laws of physics by combining unreliability and unsafety into one astonishing package. As we've reached the end of this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and make sure to comment below your ideas on this video. Until next time, peace.